Morning, folks. It's me again, obviously. Um, I know I said in my last video that I was going to start Unit 4 today. However, I've decided that we're going to push that to Friday. Friday is when we will start Unit 4. The reason that I did that was just because I was thinking that in the last week or so, I've put a lot of work on you. Um, Finishing your booklet, the test, and the written response. Those are three pretty big things, and really, those are what your marks are coming out of. So I've decided instead, I'm going to give you a few more days to work on those. Some of you have already submitted in some of them. I don't know if all of you, if everyone's done all of them, but if you have, then that's okay, because there is something that perhaps some of you may have forgotten, and those are the quizzes. So we have had quizzes. I think we're at 3 now that you should have done. I want to make this very clear. The quizzes can be done as many times as you'd like. That also means that when I look at them, all of you should have 100%. Settling on an 80 or a 90, it's a good mark, but I mean, you have an unlimited amount of time attempts to do these quizzes, and on top of that, you also have a unlimited amount of time. Well, I guess it's limited up until the point where this course is over. So there is no end date until it's the end of the semester. Sorry, the end of the year. So what I would also encourage you to do is to make sure that you go back and if you are missing something, send it to me. Submit anything that you have not already. That includes anything from Unit 2, so the booklet, the dictionary. There's some of you who have not submitted that yet. There was 2 projects. There was a slavery project and there was a mapping project. Both of those are still fair to send in to me. If you haven't done the test for Unit 2, do it. Don't think of anything having a due date until I tell you, okay, this is the last day I'm taking anything in. And that would probably be in June. So we do have an entire month or a month and a half or even 2 months if you want to be bold to get everything in. So we're not going to start Unit 4 today. We're going to do that on Friday. Consider today and tomorrow just an extended work time for you to do your booklets for Unit 3, your written response for Unit 3, and your test. The test is on D2L. It's in the announcement section. The written response is on our D2L in the content section. Towards the bottom it says written response. Make sure you do the economic globalization question, and then your booklet. If you don't have a hard copy, which some of you might because I gave it to you, take a picture. If you don't have the hard copy, you can find a copy of it on our D2L site. You can either write in that directly, like just type in your answers, or make a Google Doc answering the questions, going page by page by page. Please do not forget to do the dictionaries too. That seems to be something that some of you have forgotten. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you on Friday. What did I say, Monday? I'll see you on Friday. Just keep working hard. Some of you have done such fantastic work. It's really good to see. Even through this crazy time, you're still working hard to get things done. That's great. That's fantastic. I do want to say, if any of you are struggling with anything, and you want me to help you a little bit more so, some students have requested that if they can have a meeting with me over some sort of online platform, Zoom, Google Meet, all those different things. If you want that, let me know. Either email me and we can set up a time just to get any questions or sort of help on a more one-on-one basis. So just keep that in mind as well. If you're okay with just the straight up emails, do that, because some of you are, and it's great, and I feel like we've gotten a lot done just doing that. Okay, so keep those in mind, and keep on emailing me with questions or concerns. I'm always here. I do my best to check my emails as regularly as I can, and that's about it. Okay, so good luck, get to work, stay safe, and I will see you Friday.